Alright, finally found the knocking in this motor. Pulled all of this off. This is the bottom side of the engine. This is my transmission. Took a while to pull everything apart so that I can remember how it goes back together. Let's hope that I can still remember. This is my crank right here. It's the underside of my crank. These are my push rods. Here's one right here. I think this is number 1, 2, 3, and this is number 4. Number 4 is where my knocking is. See there? Push it down, my bearing's gone out. I push on the piston, push it back up so it moves. A little closer. There. Knock, 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 knock. That's it. So that's a fixable issue, and I bet you anything it came from running this thing low on oil. There, you can see how loose it is. That bearing, but everything else looks good so far. I'm gonna pull that off right there now. I just wanted to sort of document what I found, where this knock-in is finally, and I'm not going to mess with any of that, and hopefully just put everything right back together the way it was, nice and neat and sandwiched up. But this right here is where I'll be working on that, and that'll be it. And we'll get this thing put back together, and hopefully that'll take care of it. So, wish me luck.